Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I just up? I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She says it's like a sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. So quit my wife cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Grasping to control, so I better hold on. Sometimes I give myself.
Breathe you out, breathe you in. You keep coming back to tell me you're the one who could have been. And my eyes see it all so clear. It was long ago and far away, but it never disappears. Try to put it in the past, hold on to myself and don't look back. I don't wanna dream about all the things that never were, and maybe I can live without when I'm out from under. I don't wanna feel the pain. What good would it do me now? I'll get it all figured out when I'm out from under. So let me go, just let me fly away. Let me feel the space between us growing deeper and much darker every day. Watch me now, and I'll be someone new. My heart will be unbroken. It will open up for everyone but you. Even when I cross there must still be the soul that you have left behind, hidden somewhere in the deep, deep of the forest, lying among the trees. People who are too tired, they just don't look around any farther. The days are peering to the eternal darkness of a foreign place. Could we still have seen it? We were there. Could we have seen it if we were little? Go with our lives and lose the colors of the sky still remain the same as we used to know. Every single day